Hello everyone. Thank you for joining our channel. Now, if you have joined us, it's because you are experiencing some degree of hair loss or you have some concerns about hair loss, maybe for yourself or someone you know, and you're looking for answers. Now, you must know that hair loss is very common. It's not a uncommon thing in a general population, and the estimates are about 50% of the population have some degree of hair loss by the age of 50. So it's not whether you're male or female, everybody loses hair to a certain extent. And this hair loss, predominantly, it's not hair falling, but it's hair thinning and then becoming shorter and disappearing. This is what baldness is. It's the change in the hair life cycle. That is to say, normally hair grows for about 5 years on average. And under the influence of certain hormones, the life cycle of the hair becomes shorter. It becomes a few days to weeks. And then the hair does not have enough time to appear from the hole, the pore that it grows through. So then you become gradually bald. Now, what is causing this? Principally, it's a hormone called DHT, dihydrotestosterone. This comes from testosterone, which is predominantly a male hormone, but women also have testosterone. And this testosterone actually over time gets converted to DHT, and the DHT effect is to make hair loss happen. That is to say, the life cycle of the hair gets shorter, so the hair gets gradually thinner, shorter, and then disappears. And this is what baldness is, because no one goes bald overnight. It's a gradual process over months to years, and then we gradually get thinner and thinner on top, and we go bald. In men, it starts in the front and the crown, the middle area, and then gradually the top area will go bald. In women, you get a gradual hair loss everywhere. Now, in addition to this, there are other causes of hair loss, but the majority of cases of hair loss that we see and people experience are androgenic alopecia, the pattern hair loss. And if you want to really see what the pattern hair loss is, you can look at the Norwood scale in men and the Ludwig scale in women. This clearly delineates the pattern of hair loss, and we are all somewhere along this line. We are in grades 1 to 7 in men, and in the women, your hair loss you can see from the chart. Now, are there things that we can do to control androgenic alopecia? Yes, certainly. One thing is you must control the DHT levels. Now, to control DHT, the best thing is to use a DHT blocker. Until now, many people use minoxidil, and minoxidil is not very effective. And the other thing is it has side effects in the sense that it causes skin dryness, irritation, you get dandruff, and also when you stop minoxidil, your hair loss accelerates, and it accelerates really very badly, so you lose a lot of hair very quickly. The other option is Finasteride. Now, Finasteride normally came in a tablet, and the problem with taking a tablet is it gets distributed all over the body because you swallow it, and it can cause a lot of side effects, sexual side effects, and also muscle growth can be affected, beard growth can be affected and become less. So many men were unhappy to take Finasteride, although the medicine was very good for hair growth and hair fall control. But very recently, the market has got the Finasteride topical solution 0.25. It has been shown to have the same benefits as oral, the tablet form of Finasteride, but none of the side effects. So it's very good medicine. It's available. It's quite expensive at the moment. It's about 50,000 rupees in Sri Lankan money if you buy it from overseas. But of course, in our clinic, in addition to the hair transplants, we give all our clients free Finasteride 0.25 treatment. They get it once a month for the first 6 months to control the hair fall. So you can come and get it from us free of charge without any cost to you. That's about rupees 300,000 saving to you. Now, what do? We are keshatransplant. We do the Sapphire method of hair transplants. This is the world's best. This is the world's #1 hair transplant method. It's the same one that's practiced in Turkey. Turkey is actually the #1 destination for hair transplants all over the world, and we are doing the exact same system. Our staff are trained from Turkey, and they perform the same quality of hair transplants as done in Turkey. And the results are amazing. I mean, we can give you very natural looking, very thick hair. We use basically your own hair from the sides and back of your head, because if you look at how men bald, predominantly we bald on the top, so the sides and back of the hair is there, and we are distributing this hair. It does not become less, so we are just taking hair roots from that area and preserving it, so that in a few days that area will grow back. But the difference is now you have hair on top, and it's your own hair, so it grows lifelong. In addition, we are giving the Finasteride treatment to control hair loss. We also give you a supplement called Balance, which gives you all the nutritional components you need for hair growth. And also we monitor you over 6 months. You come to us for Oxyjet if you can. On top of that, we have a WhatsApp group where all our clients can meet and discuss their concerns, and they show their updates and show their progress, and we give them feedback. And until the hair is looking nice, we will look after you. So if you want a complete package at an affordable rate, I know there are several clinics that charge a lot of money for hair transplants. We are a medical clinic. We are registered with the government. We are PHSRC registered. Our performance is monitored by doctors. We have a medical team here. So if you want the best hair treatment And if you want the latest technologies and get a world-class hair transplant while staying here in Sri Lanka, instead of going abroad, having to book flights and go to foreign countries, if you want to get a world-class hair transplant, Keshatransplant is what you should ask for. Watch our YouTube channel. We have a lot of videos up. All you have to do is search for Keshatransplant on YouTube. If you want advice, call us. You can come and meet us there, and we are available 7 days of the week. We have a large team that does the bookings for appointments, so just call any one of those numbers and they will help you. And come and meet us, get some advice, and we will help you with your hair. We'll give you a nice looking head of hair again, and it's a permanent solution. You can have your hair back permanently, comb it, cut it, run your fingers through it, get the look you want, and feel confident again. So if you want hair, call Kesha Transplant. We will help you.
34% of Colombo district had diabetes, while another one-third had high blood sugar levels. It was found that Sri Lanka has the highest rate of diabetes in all of Asia and one of the highest in the world. 38% of Sri Lankans with diabetes have not been diagnosed. In other words, 1 million Sri Lankans do not know that they have diabetes. Diabetes is more common in Sri Lankans who are overweight and those who are better off or living in developed areas of the country. The highest rates are seen in Western Province, Jaffna, and some parts of the Northern and Eastern Province.
Use balance to control your carbohydrate intake. ඔබ කන පිෂ්ඨ ප්‍රමාණය පාලනය කරන්න balance යොදා ගන්න. ලංකාවේ ජනගහනයෙන් 50%කට වැඩි ප්‍රමාණයකට දියවැඩියාව තියෙනවා. 50%කට වැඩි ප්‍රමාණයකට යම් කෙසඩුවක් තියෙනවා. ඒක වයසත් එක්ක වැඩි වෙනවා. මෙතන තියෙන්නේ පෝෂණ පද්ධතියේ අඩුපාඩු. ඒ පෝෂණය නිවැරදි කරගෙන ඔබට අලංකාර කෙස් කලමක්, පැහැපත් හමක්, සාධ්‍ය වැඩියාව නොවෙන්න පියවර ගන්න, අදම ගන්න, බැලන්ස් ජීවිතේට බැලන්ස් එකක් ගන්න කාලේ හරි නේද?
හිස් කෙස් අස්වද්දන ආශ්චර්ය සේවයයි Kesha Transplant